And some of you people where they talk say, I come from water. It's in a minute. Who tell you that it's in a minute? If you are from water, go throw yourself into Babish Lagos or go for Babish Lagos, go throw yourself in that place. Make I know whether you go succeed. If you say that you are from water, it's in a minute. Go to the Niger, go carry yourself, put inside the Niger, make you know whether you go survive. It's in a minute. Make you people stop all these things when they talk. Is it good for a pastor or for Christians to go into water, go liver, go the do sacrifice, or go that place to do incantation or all these things? Is it good for a Christian to do it? Is it good for a pastor, for somebody that call himself a man of God, go into water, liver, and go do sacrifice? Is it good? Now, because I've been seeing what people have been saying on social media, most especially all these Ndudibias and Ezenwanyi native doctors. I'm not against anybody, but I didn't hear what thing they talk for social media. All these some native doctors where they go inside water, then go do sacrifice water, then go talk say Ndoka churches, you people they condemn water, but you wanna go come do baptism inside water. I've been hearing what they are saying. They say Jesus go tell somebody go make he go wash his face for inside the river. A lot of people have been saying many things. Even some pastors where they go inside the water, go do spiritual work. Then go talk say Jesus go inside the water. The Christians they do baptism inside the water. John the Baptist do Jesus baptism inside the water. It's different between baptism. We Christians are going in water to do baptism because this is the direction. This is what Jesus told us to do. We are going into water to do baptism. That does not mean that we are worshiping the Spirit inside the water. So if we Christians go to water, go do baptism, we are not going to water to worship the Spirit inside water. We are not going that water to talk with the marine spirit, no. But those people that go into water, they do spiritual work. They are going inside the water to talk to the marine spirit, to give to that sacrifice when they do that water. Then the spirit where they eat that sacrifice, then that marine spirit, that spirit where they're inside the water. But we Christians, we are not going that place to do sacrifice, to settle the spirit that's inside the water. So we are not going that place to worship the spirit inside the water. But those people that are doing spiritual work, they are going that place, they are worshiping the spirit inside the water. That is why they are giving that spirit gift. That's it. They are going inside water to worship because they are worshiping the spirit inside water. When they will go that place, they will go, then go to talk to the marine spirit, do sacrifice for that marine spirit. But we Christians, we are going water to do baptism and come out. During that time where Jesus tell that person, make you go inside water, go wash your face. Jesus not tell that person, make you go inside water. If you go for water, call the spirit where they're inside water. No, just go that place, carry water, wash your face, go. Water is the water. All these people where they go for water, go to swim for water. We just go that water, go swim, water, go, come out. You will see somebody who go inside the water, go swim. That does not mean that that person is worshiping the spirit in that water. But you come the same water, you go see people where they do sacrifice. They are different from people who come water, come swim inside the water. So we Christians are going to water to do baptism and come out and go. We are not going to come in that water to call the spirit inside water. No. Even Christians, even we Christians, if we go any water, even though any marine spirit where they're inside the water, when they see us, that marine spirit will run away. That marine spirit, immediately marine spirit see Christians who walk on baptism inside the water, that marine spirit will just run away. After we do baptism, come out. You just come. We are not worshiping the same God. We are worshiping the creator of the heaven and earth, and you people are worshiping the fallen angels, the spirit that God cast out, pursue out from heaven. That is the spirit that is in charge for many waters. That is why Jesus himself calls Satan the prince of this world, because then they're in charge in many things in this earth. The fallen angels that God chased out from heaven, they take over in many oceans. They take over first heaven and second heaven. They take over in many places. So this and if you watch these people that go in rivers, all these people that do spiritual work, they know the spirit that is in charge of that particular river where they go. They may tell in a woman. There are some water where they talk saying a man get that water. The spirit where they in charge in a man. It's like in idol, the female idol, male idol. So those things, those spirits is the fallen angels, demons that God pursue from heaven. That is the spirit that people are worshiping. That is the spirit because they have power. But I don't want to talk about those spirit and all these things. In my next video, I will talk about it. In my next video, I will talk about it. I will talk many secrets where some native doctors no know. In my next video, I will talk about some many secrets where native doctors where they worship idol. I will tell them that idol where they worship. I will tell them their secrets where they don't know. In my next video. So Jesus no do anything called spiritual work. Make una stop deceiving Christians. Jesus no do anything called spiritual work. Can't do sacrifice. Jesus no do anything. Make una stop deceiving people. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.